if you are learning artificial intelligence or machine learning, and also for knowing about the upcoming artificial general intelligence, which is AGI. The last and the second last point will be extremely important. So if you skip this video, then you are going to be left behind. I promise you that. We all know about if we insert anything at the Google, then the output will be provided. That output will be in the form of different sorts of website depending on the ranking. So that is SEO. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. If we insert something at the Google, then Google will be providing the output. Same thing if we provide at the ChatGPT or Perplexity or any other generative AI chatbot, then the thing or the output that will be provided will be termed as the generative engine optimization. Okay, so now let's talk about the primary platforms. So for the SEO, we have traditional search engines like Google, Microsoft Bing, then we have Yahoo. I don't know who uses Yahoo. Now in terms of GEO, the outputs are generated by two platforms. The number one is generative AI platform and the second one are LLMs. That means large language models. Here generative AI platform means we have ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, or we have Entropy, Claude versions, that is Claude 3.5, then Claude 5, then Claude 7. All these Claude versions or any other AI, generative AI chatbots which are responsible for generate outputs, those are the platforms GEO actually depend upon. If we talk about LLMs are basically large language models. Those are actually AI models which are trained under bunch of different sorts of parameters that includes a whole lot of text, images, sentence, and billions and billions of data. And also LLMs are basically task specific. That means for different types of work we can use different types of LLMs. That means for code debugging or syntax error analyzation we can use a sort of LLM. We have mixed LLM or different size of LLM. We have Llama 2, Llama 2.5, then Llama 3, Llama 3.5, then Llama 4. Those LLMs are created by Meta. The more amount of parameters will be shown, the more it will get trained and the more accurate output will be provided by the LLMs. We all know about SEO. Its main purpose is to rank the pages depending on the number of clicks that a website gets. That means the more click the website will get, more the Google will recommend that website at the top. Means it will rank that website. But in case of GEO, things are actually a bit different. It actually ensures brand or content is accurately, prominently, and favorably represented in AI generated answer. For an example, you want to know a special recipe about apple. If you want to go for SEO, then you will search on Google, write a recipe for apple, and Google will show you a bunch of websites. But the main problem over here, you need to search it by yourself. You need to search this entire thing. You need to research by yourself. But that is actually not the case for GEO. GEO will understand what exactly you have typed for. Let's say the same thing that you did in ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT will do, it will search throughout the entire web, is there any sort of recipe of apple there or not. Then it will be generating its answer by using its own language. So GEO actually is content specific, like what exactly that you are searching for, and that is where prompt engineering plays a vital role in GEO. So that is it. If you find this video interesting, then make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for getting more and more important video updates, and I will see you next time.